Welcome guys, welcome back to my channel. And for today's, we're in the hallway and we're going na for our room. And here in Mike's view room. Yes. Ta-da! This is the inside of it. Yes. This is the other paintings. This is also other. This is a decoration, and this is another beautiful looking.
Burn. So, na tayo mamaya.
Yes, it's burn. Hindi makikita.
Hindi, mamaya. Nakita natin. And then,
Yes.
umayos ka muna ang nanay ha. Ayan. Kasama ko na ang aking anak. And then, dito sa room. Yan, ito na siya.
The bedroom.
The bedroom.
It's very, very comfy. This is the towels.
Yes, the towels. Wait lang. Okay. There you go. Yeah.
It's a dental kit.
Then, dito sa'yo.
Looking like a bear, but a towel.
No, this is like a bear. Parang po siya doon. Okay, winner ng anak ko. Yan. Para sa akin is parang dog. Yun na nakaupo lang nakaganon, di ba? Okay. There you go. Yeah. And then, ito ay last week pang kwan, after 2 weeks ata na kwan, na preparation ko to, nung anong pa ako dun sa Italy, naghahanap ako ng rooms para magkabanding kami Manila. So, yes. Pero kwan, buksan natin yung kwan,
Also relax our brains.
Yes. Kakatapos lang yung kwan, exam ng anak ko. And then some craft. Yan.
Tiktok. Ganun ba?
Ayan, ito yung nakuha ko. Kasi ito yung nakita ko dun sa sa picture. Baba ka na dun. There you go. And then, let's go dito.
So, another.
It's another. Okay.
Yes.
Ako ba may vlog or ako ikaw? Dapat ikaw yung sasalita. Ikaw mo sila. Yan.
Alatag tayo dito.
Yan, mamaya. And then, punta tayo sa where?
Dito muna.
Okay.
Present naman. This is our big TV for now on for this
night.
This night, yes. And our own balcony.
Okay.
Yeah.
There you go. Magmuling muna tayo dito.
You can all see those plants and other.
I know. Pwedeng mag-vlog ang mama doon.
Oh,
diba? Magaling ang mama. There you go.
Bonding sa bird.
Ayan. Nice to go naman dito. Hinatid kami ng pan ng pinsan ko. And yeah. Her uncle and her aunt. Pagpasok namin, hi ma'am, can I help you? Ganon. And then, sabi nila,
they also greet us.
yeah, they greet us too. And then, hinanap ko yung cellphone ko. Nagulat ako. Akala ko, naiwan ko yung
isang cellphone. Naiwan sa van or doon sa isang bahay. Pero, hinanap ko na din nung meron na kami dito. I'm finding it and then I found it. But my mom did not find it very, very well.
Nagpanic ako kasi akala ko naiwan, akala ko naiwan ko yung cellphone ko dun sa isang bahay doon sa kanila.
Yes.
Sa lugar nila. Ay, naku, akala ko, naku. Sunday pa kami babalik doon kasi mayroon siyang klase. There you go. And our bathroom. You have to present our bathroom.
Of course.
Yes. Okay. Okay, there you go.
There's a lot of soap. There's a soap dispenser in here. There's a water.
Be careful. Mabasa. And then,
The toilet.
okay,
And,
never mind the toilet. The shower.
The shower.
Meron siyang hot and cold. There you
Water
go.
temperature.
Yes. Oh, close na doon. Close na the light. Ayan, banding ng mag-ina for how many years kami hindi nga nakikita. And then, there you go. Ayan. Wala ka na, kausapin mo na sila.
Hello.
Ayan.
Charis.
Tapos lang yung fantasy, yung ano na to. Happy ang mama kasi fun.
Oh yes.
Kasama ko na
Of course.
ko. And then, I'm planning ulit, mama siya. This coming one, may manak kami pumunta ng secret.
It's, wait lang.
It's what do you call that? It's my birthday on the 21. What do you call that?
4 letters, 8 letters.
Okay, that's okay. And then, balak ko bang kwan? Meron pa kaming pupuntahan.
Yes.
Sana kwan. Sana merong mga days na walang school. So, para makapunta kami kung saan.
Holiday.
Yes, para makabanding rin. And ang important is, ayun. I'm happy. Okay, thank you very much for watching. And ito.
And watching us present our bed. And I'm gonna sleep now because I'm tired.
Naku, maniniwala kayo ba dyan na maging sleep na now na hindi kumain? Samantalang kagabi, meron yung mga friends niya doon sa bahay. Yung kinuha ko, naku, nakailang kain na sila. Hindi mo sila mapihil kung anong mga kinakain nila. And then, there you go. Punta kami doon sa mamaya, doon sa labas. Antayin natin
Night.
para makita yung mga ilaw. There you go.
The perfect one.
Yes. Coffee project. All right.
Mag-coffee tayo.
Yes. So, thank you everyone. Ano na to? 2 days po na dumating din sa atin. And then, ito. Kaya kwan, malaki pa rin ang aking iBag, but never mind yung iBag. Important is...
We're here.
Yes!
Yes.
That's it. So, thank you very much for watching and like and share. Maraming salamat.
Please support us always. Bye-bye. God bless.